panorama. Snuck into the theater. Look at this. Wow. Wow. Look at the ceiling. Darn, I get dizzy. Pretty high up here. So this is the balcony. Is there more seats? Yeah, there's more seats down there. Is that where the orchestra would be? No, there's more seats there. They must have seats they bring in for this.
So this is for events and things.
I guess so. Because there's a whole lot of seats missing.
Yeah.
Oh, they got some back up in there. There's some back up in there. Yeah, I don't know. I think they're just regular chairs, though.
Yeah.
The
They have
structure.
they have live stuff here.
Your stuff?
Hmm?
You have your stuff here?
No.
You said? A lot of stuff.
Live
Live events here, right?
Yeah, live
right.
events.
We're having I think it's a metal band here tonight. That's a good floor. Just
You guys staying for the band? Wow. This is cool. Carpet isn't, but look at this. Wow. Didn't expect this guy. And this is the Fox Pomona, I think built in, has to be the 20s. Copyright music.